Unit 3, Exercise 3A. Listen to the dialogue and check your answers.
So, Mr. Harris, I've called you because the company is considering opening a new office in Dubai, and we're looking for people to work there.
Oh, that's great news for the company, Ms. Dobbs. It seems things are going well.
Indeed they are. We're very pleased with our progress and with your performance as well. That's why we'd like to know if you're interested in working in our new office.
Thank you for the kind words. Well, that's very unexpected, really. I didn't know about this opportunity. I'll have to talk to my wife before I can give you an answer.
But of course, I'll email you the details so you and your wife can have an idea of what the new job involves.
Thank you for considering me.